guys, it's Kibef here, and today we're going to be doing the vlog for NTU Welcome 2023. As the name of this competition suggests, this competition was held from the 31st of December 2022 to the 1st of January 2023. Alright, that's enough talking, let's get straight on to the first day. Kicking off the comp was Cube, even though you maybe can't see it because Theodore's blocking. And as you guys know, I don't practice this event, but I did decently well. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with this event except for this one part. Yes, it's a 572, but it's a +2. That's the first +2 I've ever gotten in a competition, so I was visibly upset about that. However, I still managed to pull off a 7 average, so, well, no complaints. Alright, so the next event was OH, which is one of my main events, and I was really excited coming into this event. I did surprisingly well here, and I'm really happy about that. Oh yeah, check out this really cool PR single I got. So next up was 4x4, and I actually practiced this event quite a lot, not as much as Megaminx or something, but I actually practiced this quite a bit. I don't know what I was thinking, but for some reason I was hoping to break my PR, which I obviously did not, because, well, currently it's really fast. Anyway, I still did really well for this event and got a 43 average in the end with a 36 single, which you are seeing right now. So after 4x4 was lunch, so that was nice. And after that was Megaminx. Megaminx went a lot better than I expected, or maybe just a bit more than I expected. I was expecting probably a sub 50 average, but not PR, and I got PR, so I'm really happy with that. But just so you guys know, I do not average like this at all at home. I actually average way slower at home actually. I probably average about 50 to 55, so I guess I just do well under pressure. Okay, that's not true because you gotta wait till finals. Anyway, I was super happy with this because I got a PR for both single and average, which is super unexpected, but yeah, I'm super happy with this. The next event was Clock, and I didn't really have any feelings coming into this event. I was just like, okay, it's Clock, let's just go there and get a PR average. And my previous PR was 16, so I thought that was pretty doable, and boy did I smash it. "11 seconds. I don't have a video, but I actually already had an 11, which meant counting 11. We need to watch that again. All jokes aside, this event was a very successful one, and I am really happy about this. My second last event for the day was 6x6, and it went pretty well. The mean was pretty meh, but I got a PR single of 230, so that was pretty nice. And the last event of 2022 was 7x7. Let's just say it wasn't the best event ever. I forgot to mention that cutoff was 5 minutes. Unfortunately, that was my last official solve of 2022. I was disappointed for a while, but recovered in time for day 2. Oops! I realized I forgot to add square 1 in, so here it is now. In the end, I got a really decent average of 20 seconds. Okay, so that's all for NTU Welcome 2023 Day 1. I'll see you guys at Day 2, and thank you guys for watching. Bye! The highs and the lows of speed cubing. Day 2, coming soon.